Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Contour Palette is probably one of the most transformative makeup products available, especially for mature skin, as it allows you to sculpt, define, and enhance your features with incredible precision, creating a more youthful and lifted appearance that can truly redefine your facial structure and bring out your best assets. Number 5. Laura Geller New York Baked Balance-n-Brighten Powder Foundation, Medium. Discover the secret to a flawless complexion with our award-winning powder foundation. It's designed to give you a natural, demi-matte finish you'll love. This innovative formula works to color correct, evening out your skin tone effortlessly. Achieve a brighter, more balanced look with every application. Enjoy customizable coverage that goes from light to medium. You can build it up to perfectly suit your needs without feeling heavy. Experience a beautiful demi-matte finish that looks naturally radiant. It perfects your skin without appearing cakey or overly matte. Applying it is a breeze, blending seamlessly into your skin. Get a polished look in seconds for your everyday routine. This shade is specifically curated for medium skin tones. It provides the ideal match to enhance your natural beauty. What we like? This foundation is baked, which means it's incredibly blendable and won't settle into fine lines. Its color-correcting properties help neutralize redness and discoloration for a more even complexion. If you're looking for a natural, demi-matte finish that feels weightless, this is a fantastic choice for mature skin. What people say. The coverage is buildable and isn't heavy. I also have the kabuki brush and I like that I can have variations of coverage in different areas and it will all still blend together seamlessly. The blurring and brightening effect is just beautiful. It has given me my natural glow back. It gave us such a nice, silky, coverage that evened out my skin tone and perfect for a more natural daytime look. The Baked Balance-n-Brighten, which is matte, gave more coverage for nighttime. Number 4. Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Primer. Meet the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Primer. It's designed to perfect your complexion. Infused with niacinamide and cica, it gently soothes your skin. It effectively neutralizes redness for a balanced tone. This primer creates the perfect canvas for your makeup. It ensures your look stays put all day long. Experience makeup that lasts. It grips your foundation and other products for extended wear. Feel good about your beauty choices. This primer is proudly cruelty-free. At 30g, it's the ideal size for your makeup bag. Take it anywhere for touch-ups or your daily routine. What we like? Infused with soothing niacinamide and cica, this primer calms irritation and neutralizes redness beautifully. It also creates a smooth canvas and grips makeup for extended wear. If your skin tends to get red or you need your makeup to last all day, this primer is your secret weapon. What people say. The primer is thicker than I expected, but it blended into my skin very smoothly. The first thing I noticed when blending it in was how much it evened out my skin tone and covered the redness. I was going to use it under my foundation, but after spreading it onto my face I realized that I didn't even need to use foundation to cover my entire face. So soft and silky, you cannot even tell it had sunscreen at all. It is excellent alone or under other makeup. It blends seamlessly with my skin like I'm wearing nothing. Wears well all day without clumping, drying, or melting. This is the absolute best redness-fighting primer I've found that's in my budget. I have never gone without foundation concealer powder, until now. This product is amazing and makes my skin look so vibrant and youthful without all of those big red splotches. Number 3. Laura Geller New York Baked Palette. Discover the best of the best with this full-size baked palette. It's your all-in-one solution for a complete look. This palette features a beautiful bronzer, a flattering blush, and 2 radiant highlighters. You'll have everything you need to glow. Complete your look with 3 versatile eyeshadow shades. Create endless eye-catching styles with ease. Designed to be travel-friendly, this palette fits perfectly into your bag. Take your favorite shades wherever you go. Achieve a flawless finish with this expertly crafted baked formula. It's designed for effortless application and stunning results. What we like? This palette offers a complete face and eye look in one convenient package, featuring bronzer, blush, highlighters, and eyeshadows. The baked formula ensures a smooth application and blendability. If you love having multiple products in a single, travel-friendly compact for touch-ups or full looks, this is an excellent option. What people say. The baked formulas blend beautifully and give a natural, radiant finish without looking heavy. The shades are flattering and easy to wear for everyday looks or something a little more polished. This product blends so easily. It doesn't clump up and stand out, it just blends so seamlessly. Number 2. W7 Lift and Sculpt Cream Contour Kit. Achieve a sculpted look with ease. This cream contour kit is designed for effortless application and blending. Perfect for concealing imperfections, highlighting your best features, and defining your face. It's your all-in-one solution for a flawless finish. Get professional-looking results without the hassle. This palette makes contouring simple for everyone. Never contour before? No problem. It includes clear, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Define and enhance your natural bone structure. This kit helps you create dimension and lift for a beautifully sculpted appearance. This versatile palette is a must-have for any makeup collection. It simplifies your routine while delivering stunning results. What we like. This cream contour kit is designed for easy application, even including step-by-step instructions to guide you. The creamy texture blends seamlessly into the skin for a sculpted look. If you're new to contouring or want a simple, effective way to define your features, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Smooth, the colors blend nicely. They go on and blend smoothly. They are not cakey and are buildable if you prefer a more dramatic look. They are long-lasting and the highlight colors are pleasant and brighten under your eyes. Multiple colors in this one that don't pull overly orange-yellow, so it works for cool and neutral skin tones. Number 1. KIMUSE Multi-Stick Trio Face Makeup. Discover the KIMUSE Multi-Stick Trio, your ultimate secret weapon for a flawless face. This versatile trio simplifies your routine, offering everything you need in one convenient package. Achieve a natural flush on your cheeks and a touch of color on your lips with our creamy blush stick. It blends seamlessly for a soft, radiant finish that lasts all day. Effortlessly sculpt your features with the contour stick. Define your bone structure and create dimension for a beautifully chiseled look. Add a touch of luminosity with the highlighter stick. It catches the light perfectly, giving you a natural, healthy glow that enhances your best features. Designed for all skin types and tones, this makeup trio ensures everyone can achieve a professional, polished look. It's your go-to for versatile beauty. Streamline your beauty routine with this all-in-one stick. It's perfect for quick touch-ups and on-the-go application, making it an essential addition to any makeup collection. What we like. This multi-stick trio offers incredible versatility, allowing you to add color to your cheeks, lips, and sculpt your face with one product. The creamy formula glides on effortlessly and is easy to blend. If you prefer a minimalist makeup routine or need a quick, multitasking product for on-the-go, this stick is a must-have. What people say. The lightly tinted formula lets me blend easily and achieve the contours I want without feeling heavy or cakey. It's even versatile enough to use as eyeshadow in a pinch, and it works well under powder eyeshadow too. The contour stick feels soft on the skin and easy to blend. The shade is kind of a cool tone. You can definitely build up contour for a more darker shade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.